it going, guys? Chris here, Raccoon Tactical, back at you. So, got another Rosecraft. These guys, funny enough, they are keeping me rather full with knives to look at, which I greatly appreciate considering I have such a small channel. So, I want to thank Andy and the rest of the team over there for allowing me this opportunity to try to help grow my channel and showcase their beautiful stuff. As you can see, I am a bit, I've been bitten by the slip joint bug somewhat recently. Got these guys here. They're both the, I believe it's the Beaver Creek Barlows. And yeah, these are going to be smudged and dinged because these are not shelf cleans. These are knives that I carry quite often. But today, the star of the show, we have the Stinking Creek Sowbelly. And, oh boy. And we got some stag bone handle here. Wow. Got a nice little bit of a swell there. Really nice machining. Very flush and clean. Centered up really nice. Like we got nickel pins. And of course, the bolsters and the liners one piece, which is nice. Makes for a very nice rigid construction. Now let's see here. Get my fangy prints off of it. Nice long gradual swedge there along the spine. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Rosecraft. Of course, they're D2 steel, but just some amazing stuff. For the money they are asking, $79.99 for this guy. Man, love that. I would like to see that on my Barlows. Which, if you've already got a Beaver Creek Barlow, yeah, let's see here. Set them out here for size comparison. This guy is going to have a 2.7 inch blade. Of course, we already saw it's D2. It's going to be 6.5 inches overall length. Another Andy Armstrong design. And this is genuine stag. Red deer stag to be exact. And just the shape of this handle falls into my hand really nice. Really like that. Ooh. It's got a really nice walk and talk, good commanding thump on close. Yeah, that's really digging this whole pattern design he's got here. This is really nice, y'all. Get the, hang on, see if I can get it on my speaker, on my mic. Oh yeah. Boy, that sure does look like that's a sharp one. Let me get a, let's see if she can do what she was designed for. Ah, like butter. Like butter. Jeepers. Just a little boop. But, yeah, guys. Red deer stag. Huh. And it's got some beautiful texturing, too. It really lends itself nice to this design. That's going to be, again, $79.99. That's rosecraftblades.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description to that. And if I find any sort of discounts, I'll be sure to put those down there as well. And also, Andy and the team, they'll be at booth 1620 at Blade Show Atlanta coming up here. And this guy will be launching the 29th of May. So if you miss your launch and you're in Atlanta, go by, see if they got any for you. Yeah. This is one of the very first, like, non-US made slip joint companies that I've had slip joints from personally. That I mean, I can't say enough about how well these things are made. I mean, yeah, it's just it blows my mind the quality that you get for what you're paying. But be sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, click the bell icon, and we'll see you next time.